In face center cubic structure, there are atoms at every corner. This is only the face of the face center cubic structure, crystal structure. Atoms do not touch each other along the edges. Atom touches the atoms along the diagonal. This is the atom center at the face of the crystal. This is the central atom at the face and touches along the diagonal with the corner atoms. Obviously, this is R plus this is twice R plus R, that is 4R. It means that AC equal to 4R we have taken. Now we have considered triangle ABC, that is triangle ABC, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. And as you know, this is the lattice parameter A. We have considered the cubic structure, that is it must also be A, because A equal to B equal to C. Therefore, this can be expressed as AC square equal to A square plus A square. What is AC? AC here equal to 4R, that is 4R whole square equal to twice A square, that is 16R square equal to twice A square. Therefore, R square equal to A square by 8. A square by 8. Therefore, R must be equal to A square A upon root 8. And root 8 can be expressed as root 8 ला आपण कसं लिहू शकतो? A upon twice root 2. A upon twice root 2. That is, this is R. This is the radius of the atom in face center cubic structure. Radius of the atom in face center cubic structure. Okay. Now we have in body center simple cubic structure, R is the A by 2. In body center cubic structure, R equal to root 3 A by 4, and in face center cubic structure, R equal to A upon twice root 2. Now consider another topic called as डेन्सिटी. मला वाटतं मी हा घेतलेला आहे, पण तरी पण 2 मिनिटांमध्ये पुन्हा घेऊ. डेन्सिटी ऑफ क्रिस्टल मटेरियल which is represented by सिग्मा और आय. काही ठिकाणी आय मध्ये रिप्रेझेंट करतात, काही ठिकाणी सिग्मा मध्ये रिप्रेझेंट करतात डेन्सिटी, किंवा रो. सिग्मा ठिकाणी दॅट इज रो. रो मध्ये पण रिप्रेझेंट करतात किंवा आय मध्ये रिप्रेझेंट करतात. नाउ इट इज डिफाइंड ॲज इट इज द रेशियो ऑफ युनिट सेल टू द volume of unit cell. Volume of unit cell. That is, in equation form it can be expressed as I upon mass of unit cell. It is the ratio of, it should be mass of unit cell. Mass of unit cell to the volume of unit cell. There is mass of unit cell upon volume of unit cell. Now consider for cubic crystal. For cubic crystal, what is the, we know that for cubic crystal A equal to B equal to C. Therefore, the volume of unit cell must be equal to A cube. Volume of unit cell must be equal to A cube. Now mass of unit cell. Now mass of unit cell, let us consider for this, let A be the atomic weight of the element and N0 be the Avogadro's number. Therefore, the mass of atom can be expressed as atomic weight upon Avogadro's number. This represents this A is the atomic weight of the element. ज्या कोणत्या एलिमेंट तो क्रिस्टल तयार झालेला असेल त्या एलिमेंटचा ॲटॉमिक वेट, आणि N is the Avogadro's number. Therefore, the mass of the atom, one atom, will be represented the A upon N0. A upon N0. Suppose let again N be the number of atoms in unit cell. Suppose N be the number of atoms in unit cell. Therefore, as we know that in simple cubic structure, in simple cubic unit cell there is only one atom. In body center cubic structure, in body center cubic unit cell there are two atoms. In face center cubic structure, there are, in that unit cell there are four atoms. Now suppose n be the number of atoms in a unit cell. Therefore, the mass of unit cell must be equal to mass of atom is the A upon N0. A upon N0. In that unit cell contains n numbers of atom, then we have to just multiply this equation by n. Therefore, n A upon N0 gives the mass of unit cell. Now we have the volume of unit cell and mass of unit cell, and by this equation we can find out the density of crystal material. Therefore, the density of crystal material, that is I, can be expressed as Na upon N0 upon volume of unit cell, that is equal to AQ. Therefore, AQ, that is, can be expressed as Na upon A cube N0. This represents the density of crystal material. This represents the density of crystal material. आता याच्यावरचे काही एक दोन आपण प्रॉब्लेम बघू. Suppose we have a problem in a book which is a FCC problem is like this. A FCC crystal has an atomic radius of 1.246 Armstrong unit. What are D200, D220 and D111 spacings? आपण कालच्याच याच्यामध्ये लेक्चरमध्ये आपण बघितलं इंटरप्लेनर स्पेसिंग D200, D220 and D110. याच्यामधलं स्पेसिंग आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायची आहे FCC क्रिस्टलमध्ये, ज्या क्रिस्टलमध्ये ॲटॉमिक रेडियस दिलेली आहे 1.246 Armstrong. नाउ वी हॅव इन दिस इक्वेशन गिवन दॅट ॲटॉमिक रेडियस आर इक्वल टू 1.246 Armstrong unit for the FCC crystal structure, for the FCC crystal. Okay. Now we know that, आताच आपण बघितलं होतं, in case of FCC crystal, what is the radius? R equal to A upon twice root 2. Now for FCC, R equal to A upon twice root 2. Twice. Therefore, A can be expressed as twice root 2 R. Twice root 2 R. We are given that R, that is equal to twice root 2 into R is the 1.246 Armstrong, that is 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. If you calculate this, we get 3.524 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. Calculate करून पाहायचं कॅल्क्युलेटरवर. Now for cubic crystal, we have to find out the spacing D200, D220 and D111 spacing. Now for cubic crystal, we know that the DHKL, that is interplanar spacing, is given by the expression A upon under root of H square plus K square plus L square, जे आपण कालच्या लेक्चरमध्ये बघितलेलं आहे. Now for D200, पहिला D200. Therefore, D200 will be equal to, it will be equal to A upon, what is A? Here A equal to, okay, पहिल्यांदा आपण लिहून घेऊ, A upon under root of, what is HKL? Here HKL are 200. Therefore, 2 square plus 0 square plus 0 square, that is equal to A equal to 3.524 into 10 raised to power minus 10 upon 2 square, that is 4, and that's under root, that is equal to 2. Therefore, we get it is equal to 1.762 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. This is the spacing of 200 plane. Okay. Similarly, we have to find out the spacing for D220 plane. Now for D220, now for D220 plane, this equation becomes A. What is A? A equal to 3.524 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter upon D220, that is under root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 0 square, that is equal to 2 into 4 plus 4 16, that is त्याच्यामधून बाहेर निघाला तर 3.524 into 10 raised to power minus 10 upon 16, that is that's under root 4. Therefore we get it is equal to 1.245 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. Similarly for D111, third plane, this D111. Therefore D111 it can be expressed as A upon, that is 3.524 into 10 raised to power minus 10 upon 111, that is 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, that is equal to under root of 3, that is equal to 3.524 into 10 raised to power minus 10 upon root 3. If you calculate this, we get 2.034 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. By this way, we can calculate the interplanar spacing. Now, consider another problem. Another problem is find out the number of atoms. Find out the number of atoms per square millimeter on a plane 100 of lead whose इथे एलिमेंट दिलेला आहे आपल्याला लीड, whose interatomic distance is 3.499 Armstrong unit. Also you have given that lead has face centered cubic structure, FCC structure, that is face center cubic structure. आपल्या लीडचं क्युबिक स्ट्रक्चर पण दिलं, इट शोज द FCC स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, आता याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला गिवन दिलेलं आहे इंटर ॲटॉमिक डिस्टन्स, दॅट इज इंटर ॲटॉमिक डिस्टन्स, that is equal to 3.499 Armstrong unit. 3.499 Armstrong unit. Now we know that in FCC crystal, suppose this is the face of the FCC crystal, which has the central atom and which has corner atom which touches the central atom along the edges only, like this. R is the radius, and these atoms do not touches each other along the edges. Now obviously this will becomes 4R. This will become 4R's. This is the lattice parameter is A. This is also A, lattice parameter A. And we know that in case of FCC structure, what is the R? In case of FCC structure, what is the R? Radius R. R equal to A upon twice root. That is for FCC, R equal to A upon twice root. And what is the interatomic distance? Interatomic distance means दोन ॲटम मधलं डिस्टन्स, दोन ॲटम मधलं कमीत कमी डिस्टन्स या ठिकाणी. नाव दिस इज द सेंटर ऑफ दिस ॲटम, दिस ॲटम टचेस इच अदर. आता या ॲटम आणि या ॲटम मध्ये अंतर किती आहे? फ्रॉम दिस सेंटर टू दिस सेंटर, दॅट इज R plus R, that will be twice R. It means that interatomic distance represents the twice R, that is twice R equal to 3.499 Armstrong. Therefore twice R, we have given that twice R equal to 3.499 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. twice are equal. Therefore, use this equation. In this equation, we get there from this equation. Therefore, we have r equal to a upon twice root 2. Therefore, this can be written as a equal to twice r root 2. Twice r root 2. We have the value of twice r, that is equal to root 2 into twice r, that is equal to 3.499 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. If we calculate this, we get 4.95 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. 4.95 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter, that is equal to A, which is equal to A. Now we have to find out the number of atoms per square millimeter of a plane 100. This is suppose the plane 100. आपल्याला माहिती आहे FCC मध्ये प्रत्येक प्लेनमध्ये सेंट्रल ॲटम असतोच आणि कॉर्नर ॲटम असतात. आणि सपोज this plane represents the 100 plane suppose. Then we have to find out the number of atoms per square millimeter of a plane 100. याच्या एका स्क्वेअर मिलीमीटरमध्ये किती ॲटम्स आहेत ते तुम्हाला फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. आता याच्याकरता आपण एची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट केलेली आहे. Then what is the area of this plane? This is A. It means that the area of this plane must be A square. Therefore, the area of plane 100 equal to A square. Therefore, we have the value of A, that will be equal to 4.95 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter whole square. आता आपल्याला हे कशामध्ये काढायचं, मिलीमीटरमध्ये काढायचं. म्हणून आपण याचं कन्वर्जन याच ठिकाणी मिलीमीटरमध्ये करून घेऊ. म्हणजे काय म्हणणार आपल्याला 4.95 इंटू मिलीमीटर म्हणजेच काय 10 to power -3 मीटर. याच्यातून -3 बाहेर काढले तर इथे किती राहणार 10 to power -7 इंटू 10 to power -3 मीटर आणि याचा काय होल स्क्वेअर. आता याला अलग अलग करून घेऊ. म्हणजे 4.95 इंटू 10 to power -7 याचा होल स्क्वेअर इंटू 10 to power -3 मीटर मीन्स 1 millimeter, that is millimeter square. Now we have the area of the plane 100. We know that in the FCC cubic crystal, in the FCC structure, there are 4 atoms in that unit cell. There are 4 atoms in that unit cell. But in the plane, how many atoms in this plane? Now to calculate, let us consider this geometry. One atom is completely inside this plane, and 1/4 part of every corner atom is inside this plane. 1/4 part. याचा 1/4 part, याचा 1/4 part, याचा 1/4 part, and याचा 1/4 part. It means that 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, that is completely 1. It means that 1, this 1, and this completely 1. It means that there are 2 atoms in this plane. Therefore, number of atoms. Therefore, we have number of atoms in FCC plane 100 equal to किती atoms आहेत 2 atoms. त्याच्यामध्ये किती atoms आहेत 2 atoms. Now we have to find out what we have to calculate it, number of atoms per square millimeter. Therefore, atoms per square millimeter, that it must be equal to atoms. How many atoms? There are 2 atoms, and per square millimeter, 1 square millimeter जे आताच आपण एरिया काढलेला आहे, that area is 4.95. just divide by this, that is 4.95 into 10 to the power -7 whole square millimeter square. If you calculate this, we get 8.2 into 10 raised to power 12 atoms per square millimeter. By using this such kind of equation, we can find out how many numbers of atom in that particular plane. जो कोणता प्लेन तुम्हाला दिलेला असेल, ते स्ट्रक्चर दिलेलं असेल, त्या स्ट्रक्चरमधला त्या प्लेनमधला तुम्ही त्या प्लेनमध्ये किती ॲटम्स आहेत तर पर मिलीमीटर स्क्वेअरमध्ये एवढे ॲटम्स त्या ठिकाणी असतील. ठीक आहे, ओके.